Hello friends, welcome to another video related to data science. In this video, we are comparing Python programming language versus R programming language and which programming language is better for data science. First of all, what is Python and what is R? Python is a general purpose object-oriented programming language that emphasizes code readability through its generous use of white space. Python provides a more general approach to data science. R is an open source programming language that is optimized for statistical analysis and data visualization, and hence R is mainly used for statistical analysis. Python libraries that are used in data science are NumPy for handling large dimensional arrays, Pandas for data manipulation and analysis, Matplotlib for building data visualizations. R also provides a broad variety of libraries and tools for the following: cleansing and prepping data, creating visualizations, training and evaluating machine learning and deep learning algorithms. Now, Python programming versus R programming, here are the main comparisons. Python is linear and smooth to learn. R is a bit difficult to learn at the beginning. Python can be used on Spyder and Jupyter Notebook IDEs. R can be used on the RStudio IDE. We have a video on our channel in which we have discussed how we can use Python on Jupyter Notebook as well as R programming on Jupyter Notebook, how we can use both these programming languages on Jupyter Notebook. So you can watch that video, link will be shared in the description. Python consists packages and libraries like Pandas, SciPy, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Caret, etc. R consists various packages and libraries like tdverse, ggplot2, Caret, and Zoo. The primary objective of Python is deployment and production. The primary objective of R is data analysis and statistics. Python is a multi-purpose language, much like C++ and Java, with a readable syntax that is easy to learn. Programmers use Python to start learning data analysis or use machine learning in a scalable production environment. R, on the other hand, is built by statisticians and leans heavily into statistical models and specialized analytics. Data scientists use R for deep statistical analysis, supported by just a few lines of code and beautiful data visualizations. Python is mostly used by programmers and developers. R users mainly consist of scholars and R&D professionals. Now, which programming language offers better visualization? Visualization are important criteria when choosing data analysis software. Although Python has some nice visualization libraries such as Seaborn, Bokeh, and Pygal, there may be too many options to choose from. R was built to demonstrate the results of statistical analysis, with the base graphics module allowing you to easily create basic charts and plots. You can also use ggplot2 for more advanced plots such as complex scatter plots and regression lines. Which programming language offers better data collection? Python supports all kinds of data formats like CSV, JSON, Excel, HTML, SQL, etc. So if your data set is given in any of these formats, you can easily connect to these formats using the Pandas library. You can convert that data into a tabular data frame, and then you can apply different methods on that data frame for visualization and analysis. For web development, the Python request library lets you easily grab data from the web for building data sets. In R programming, R is designed for data analysts, so to import data from Excel. CSV, and text files. Files built in Minitab or in SPSS format can also be turned into R data frames. Here is a simple screenshot where we have simply searched Python and R, and we are comparing them in Google Trends Explorer. So Python as a programming language and R as a programming language, when they are compared and we are seeing data for the last 5 years, the results are worldwide between all categories and web searches. So this is the popularity based on web searches done in last 5 years, and you can see the popularity of R is mentioned here in the red line, and popularity of Python is mentioned in the blue line. This simply means more people are interested in Python programming language than they are in R programming language. This is graph of top 10 data science programming languages by percentage of job ads in which the language is mentioned. You can see in almost 90% of jobs, or more than 90% of jobs that are mentioned for data science, Python is mentioned there. This is percentage of job ads in which the programming language is mentioned by job level. So you can see for Python at entry level 86.7% jobs mention Python, at mid 88.1%, and at senior level 94.6% of jobs mention Python in their requirement. Similarly, you can see the data for R and SQL also. So as per the analysis and as per whatever we are seeing as per the job and all, we can say that Python is more popular than R. If you are trying to go into core data analysis and statistical analysis purpose only, then R can be a good solution for you. But if you want to learn programming from scratch, if you want to learn programming from the general purpose point of view, and then you want to roll into the data science part, then Python will be a better choice for you. Thanks for watching.